Diesel engine misfires can be a frustrating problem, but understanding the root causes can lead to effective solutions. One of the primary causes of misfiring is a faulty fuel injector. When injectors are clogged or malfunctioning, they disrupt the fuel-air mixture, leading to inefficient combustion and misfiring. Another common culprit is low compression, often due to worn piston rings or damaged valves. This reduces the engine's ability to generate the necessary power. Additionally, faulty glow plugs can lead to poor ignition, especially in cold conditions. Regular maintenance, including injector cleaning and compression tests, can preemptively address these issues, ensuring your diesel engine runs smoothly.